for we to create our drawing unit, we're going to come to options. Then you can see work preference. You click on work preference, then you see your working unit. So you're going to choose the model unit. You know what model unit is? That is when you are modeling. So this is the unit is going to appear. So it's going to be in millimeters, or is it going to be in meters, centimeters, or you want it to be in fractions or decimal and all that. So I prefer it to be in millimeters. So decimal, so you can choose, maybe put it in 1 decimal places, or you can leave it in 0 decimal, no decimal place. So you look at your layout unit. Layout is where we normally print. So the layout is found under the navigator palette. So you can as well choose the unit you want. So in order to avoid complication, it's better you leave it, allow it as millimeters to match with this your model unit, since you might be copying some file from the model to your layout. So now the angle, so I prefer my angles to be in decimal degrees, so I'll leave it. If you want it to be in degrees, I choose this. So I'm going to allow this way, so I'm going to click OK. Then I will still go back to this my uh, unit. Then you can see dimensions. So I want to uh, set the unit for the dimensions as well. So you click on it. So if you want your dimensions to be in meters, if you want it to be in millimeters, so anyhow you want it to be, so you can choose. So I want it to be in millimeters, so I will choose this. You know, architects they use feet, inches, so that's what they make use of. But engineers, they make use of millimeters. So I always prefer mine to be in millimeters, so I choose this. So you can choose how many decimal places it will be. So I'll go to the next thing and see what we have there. This is calculation units and rules. So I prefer for my length unit, I prefer it as well in millimeters. Uh, how many decimal? So I prefer 1 decimal place, or you can decide to choose 0 decimal place. So depending. So my area unit, I prefer it in square meters. Cubic unit, I prefer it in cubic meter. So I'm okay with this. So I'll go to the next option. So I don't really have anything to even do here. So I'll click OK. So that's all for setting of your unit. You can now go ahead to model.